So I'll tell you, Congressman, people are really worried. They're adding up all of these stories that have come out. You've had the president himself saying as a candidate, talking about a civilian national security force, and people say, oh, that's just conspiratorial. Well, he said it, and now we have all this ammo buildup and armored vehicles, which were used for the, counterinsurgency in Iraq. The question,
if you go back to Obamacare, I mean, obviously it wasn't about just only about health care. I called attention to page, I think it was 13, 12, and 13 of the original two-volume set on Obamacare, but the provisions in there for the president's own commissioned and non-commissioned officer corps, and I've continued to ask questions, what is this for? It says it's for international health crises, but then it doesn't include the word health when it talks about national emergencies.
Wow.
So you go, and I've asked, what kind of training are they getting? It provides in Obamacare that this commissioned and non-commissioned officer corps will be trained, but I want to know, are they using weapons to train, or are they being taught to use syringes and healthcare items? But we've got no clear answers on that. So you couple that with this kind of news, it is very disturbing.
You know, we've had a lot of people out there saying they're taking note of the 1.6 billion rounds of, in part, hollow point ammunition, which is to kill people, not for target practice. You've had
most ranges don't let you use hollow points on the range.
Right.
It's destructive of the target. So that made no sense. And I have asked folks on Homeland Security if they're, what is the reason for that? And I'm talking about the Committee on Homeland Security in the House. And they seem satisfied. Well, apparently, they just have to get this much ammunition when they're buying for all the different departments. But, Janet, that does not make sense. And I don't have answers on what they're doing regarding the report that you mentioned, but it sure piques my interest, and I want to, we get back in session on Tuesday, and I will be demanding answers because that's outrageous. They can't even protect our borders, and now, I mean, if that's something that's going to protect the borders, that's one thing, but some kind of secret security force is the very thing that the United States is never supposed to have. We're just not supposed to be doing that. But until we get enough members of Congress stirred up over the things that I've been preaching about, then we're not likely to get answers. And the way you get their attention is start cutting funding until you get answers.